Would you like to earn over £60,000 in the IT sector as a data analyst or software engineer? If so, please continue watching this video. Hi, my name is Shafi and I am a student consultant at Hassle-Free Education. So to be eligible for this course, we will need to check 3 different things. 1, are you from the UK or have an ILR or European? 2, can you speak English at a minimum level? Or 3, are you over 19 and below the age of 55? So we can help you with this course in university in IT or computer science. All you require is a level 3. Once you are successfully enrolled, you can receive a free laptop from us.
Hello everybody, my name is Franji Batuma from Congo, DRC. I'm just happy because I get opportunity to go to uni this year. HASSLEFREE, they helped me again to do everything right. So now I get my free laptop as well. Thank you for HASSLEFREE because they helped me too much for that, especially to Manchester office.
All you got to do is book a call with us and one of our student consultants will be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.